FT2232HL USB adapter module. The interface that the module can transfer is shown in the figure. Module support bidirectional conversion to these interfaces. Module USB power supply voltage DC 5V. And the module is USB to port 0 fully compatible. Data transfer rate of 1 Mbit/s. USB to UART connection as shown. STM32 is powered by a module. STM3 to serial communication with module. Module configuration. The module requires a USB driver, used to make the module appear as a virtual COM port. Therefore, you need to install the driver first when using it. Install the configuration software FT2232HL again. Connect the module to the computer. Then open the software. Scan module hardware connection. Open hardware specific list. Open port B list. Open the hardware menu. Select the RS-232 UART option. Open the driver menu again. Select virtual COM port options. Then open the program button. Select hardware and press the program button to program. Wait for the prompt bar to appear ready to indicate that the module configuration is complete. Close the configuration software. Connect the STM32 to the module. Then the computer opens the serial port assistant and selects the corresponding serial port. Baud rate selection 11200. And receive it in text format. After opening the serial port, you can receive Hello World sent by STM32. Module USB to UART demo ends.